Dancer. A dancer is a person who moves their body to music. Dancing is a form of art and expression. Dancers perform in many styles, such as ballet, hip-hop, jazz, and contemporary. Each style has its own unique movements and techniques. Dancing can be a joyful activity for both the dancer and the audience. One of the main tasks of a dancer is to learn choreography. Choreography is a sequence of movements arranged in a specific order. Dancers must practice these movements until they can perform them smoothly. This requires time, dedication, and hard work. Dancers often take classes to improve their skills and learn new routines. Training is essential for dancers. Many start dancing at a young age. They take classes in different styles to develop their technique and strength. Training often includes learning how to stretch, leap, and turn. Strong muscles and flexibility are important for executing dance moves safely and effectively. Dancers also work on their artistry. It is not enough to just know the steps. Dancers must also express emotions through their movements. They tell a story or convey a feeling through dance. Good dancers connect with their audience and make them feel something. This ability to express oneself is a vital part of being a dancer. Physical fitness is crucial for dancers. They must maintain good health and strength. Many dancers follow strict exercise routines and diets. Cardio exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts help dancers stay in shape. Staying healthy allows them to perform at their best. Injuries can happen, so it is important for dancers to listen to their bodies and take care of themselves. In addition to physical training, dancers also develop mental skills. They must focus and concentrate during rehearsals and performances. This requires discipline and determination. Dancers often work long hours, repeating the same movements over and over. Staying motivated and positive is essential to overcome challenges. Performances are a big part of a dancer's job. Dancers perform in front of an audience, showcasing their hard work and talent. This can happen in theaters, dance competitions, or even on the streets. Each performance is an opportunity to share their passion for dance. Dancers often feel a rush of excitement before going on stage. Teamwork is also important for dancers. Many performances involve groups of dancers working together. They must communicate and coordinate their movements to create a cohesive performance. Building trust and friendship with fellow dancers helps create a supportive environment. This teamwork is crucial, especially during rehearsals. Dancers often face criticism and competition. The dance world can be tough, with many talented individuals striving for the same opportunities. Dancers may audition for roles and performances, and not everyone will be chosen. Learning how to handle rejection is part of the journey. Many successful dancers use setbacks as motivation to improve and grow. There are many different types of dancers. Some specialize in classical ballet, while others focus on street dance or modern dance. Each style has its own techniques and requirements. For example, ballet dancers often train for many years to master their craft. Street dancers may learn through practice and informal gatherings. Each path is unique, and each dancer has their own story. Many dancers aspire to join professional dance companies. These companies often require auditions. Being part of a company allows dancers to perform regularly and collaborate with other artists. It can be a rewarding experience for those who love to dance. However, the competition can be fierce, and only the most skilled dancers are selected. Some dancers choose to teach others. Sharing their knowledge and passion for dance can be fulfilling. Dance teachers inspire the next generation of dancers and help them grow. Teaching requires patience and understanding. It is important for teachers to connect with their students and create a positive learning environment. Dancers also participate in workshops and masterclasses. These events allow them to learn from experienced professionals. They gain new skills and insights that help them improve as dancers. Workshops can cover various topics, from technique to choreography. Dancers benefit from learning different styles and approaches. In recent years, dance has become more accessible through social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok allow dancers to share their work with a global audience. Many dancers use these platforms to showcase their talent and gain followers. This exposure can lead to opportunities in the dance industry, such as collaborations or sponsorships. Dancing can also be a form of therapy. Many people find joy and release through movement. Dance can help relieve stress and improve mental health. Community dance classes offer a space for people to express themselves and connect with others. Dance can be a powerful tool for healing and self-discovery. The job of a dancer can be physically demanding. Long hours of practice and rehearsals can lead to fatigue. Dancers must be careful to avoid injuries. Warming up before dancing and cooling down afterward are essential. Stretching helps maintain flexibility and reduce the risk of strains. Despite the challenges, many dancers find their work rewarding. The joy of performing and sharing their passion for dance is worth the effort. Dancers have the opportunity to travel and experience different cultures. They can participate in international festivals and competitions, expanding their horizons. In conclusion, the job of a dancer is a blend of art, discipline, and creativity. Dancers learn choreography, develop their technique, and express themselves through movement. Physical fitness, mental strength, and teamwork are crucial in their work. The dance world can be competitive, but it also offers many opportunities for growth and expression. Whether performing on stage or teaching others, dancers inspire and connect with audiences. Their love for dance makes the world a more beautiful place.